Hi everyone, it's Sarah here. I want to give you a few tips for task 1. I'm going to start with some of the mistakes that other people have made that have hindered them from doing the best in this particular task. Number 1 is you must physically go to a place. Sometimes people imagine a place or think of an amazing place that they've once been to. That's going to make it very hard for you to connect with this place in relation to this task. You must physically go to the place, this block, with your phone and connect to that particular place. Make it somewhere nearby to you. Doesn't have to be an exciting place, just a place near to you. Do not go to a playground or to a shop. We want you to be in a natural place is the easiest way to do this task. You can do this task by going for a walk down your street or looking at buildings as well as the trees and other things that are in a particular place. But a playground is too limiting for this particular task. The other thing that we need you to do for this task is to connect to this place at your own personal adult level. For this task, we are not starting by looking at the place saying, what can I do with children here? What can I teach children here? You personally need to be in this place and be observing and noticing the maths or the science or the technology that is around you. I would suggest that you choose either maths or science to make this task easy. The other thing that we want you to do is to connect to this place, but this is not a place thought walk. It is not the same as ECE 2004 or ECE 2005. This is different. Yes, you're connecting to a place, but we're looking for the maths and the science, or all the science that is there. We need you to refer to the readings that you will see in the assessment task description, and Pello is a good one, for example. So we do want you to understand the interconnectedness of all things. Now this is an idea that is part of our First Nations people's understanding of the world, not just maths and science, the world in Australia. So we want you to know the complexity, how all things are related and interconnected and dependent on each other. Now that does make it hard to do an assessment task when we've said, notice all the things that are connecting, but that's part of our connecting to place in this particular task, to notice all of the things and how they might be connected and interacting and relying on one another, and you too. So you need to be in that place as well, noticing, connecting, experiencing. When we're teaching or providing for learning in math, science, technology, engineering, we need to experience these things first ourselves at our adult level, to get excited, to be curious, to ask questions, and to bring that to children. And we need to bring these experiences at an emotional and sensory level, as well as perhaps those dispositions of developing science, developing curiosity, asking questions. We do maths and science in early childhood. We live it more than we talk about it. So go to a place, notice your emotions, get excited, be curious, and then from that, connect that to those readings. And you might actually need to go and then do a little bit of internet research to give you the language to describe the maths or the science that you see there. So you might need to do some research to discover what is science, what types of science are there, what is maths, what different ways do we categorize maths, do we talk about maths, to give you the language to say the types of maths or science that you saw in this particular place. So I hope that's helpful for you. All the very best, and we really look forward to having a look at your tasks.